We're delighted to be here at Longford's Dream Space Showcase 2025 in Edgeworthstown Community Centre. DreamSpace has gone from strength to strength. We're now in our third year with over 500 students in the main hall presenting on amazing innovative projects from farming to care. They are so creative and innovative. The future is so bright. This all started back in 2023 with 11 schools. Today we've now 27 schools here in Edgeworthstown and we're so proud.
My name is Michael Bard. I'm a teacher on the Microsoft Ireland DreamSpace team, and if you aren't familiar with us, we deliver free STEM experiences to the young people of Ireland through a range of research-based hands-on activities, and we're super excited to be running this program today in Longford, the Longford Dream Space Showcase, which is all about celebrating innovation that can be found within rural primary schools and clubs.
I'm Danny Lynch. I'm the Head of Information Systems, Head of IT with Longford County Council. Delighted to be here today, delighted to be kind of leading this part with Longford County Council. Of course, we're able to do it thanks to the funding that was provided by Pobble through the Just Transition Fund, nearly just short of £1 million in funding. Our overall aim is to have technology introduced to the kids at primary school, and then they go into secondary school. We have 3 secondary schools in County Longford this year have computer science as part of their Leaving Cert, so the kids sitting the Leaving Cert doing their computer science exam. Next year, all going well, we'll have 5. There's 9 secondary schools in County Longford, so 5 of the 9 will have computer science in place in September, and our overall aim is that all 9 would have it, and it really makes County Longford a different place.
I'm Mick O'Rourke, and I'm the principal of Ballyman Vocational School. And Ballyman Vocational School, we're one of the, I suppose, the lead out schools for senior cycle computer science in County Longford. The excitement is huge in there, and all those students have now worked hard on their projects, and to be able to bring them forward and to, I suppose, showcase them to a team of experts who are in there going around looking at them and finding out what have they done and what have they not done, and then I suppose to see what other schools are doing. It's a great networking thing for young people. It's just a great day out for them to really engage with technology, and I suppose also then to see, to meet the likes of Ericsson here today, to meet Microsoft, and to see that the work that they're doing at the level they're doing it in primary school, that there's a real pathway and that it'll follow through with them leaving primary through to the likes of myself with vocational school and secondary school, and then it could lead on to to jobs in the future for them. So exciting day for them.
So my name's Susan Farley. I'm a 6th class teacher in Scoilstown in Banley, North Longford. With the help of the Dream Space, they've brought microbits into the school free of charge, so it's given us the opportunity to work with pieces of coding that maybe schools wouldn't have the money to afford. It allows then the children, even a child who might specifically be eager about science or maths, but allows them to all work together. Today then has been fantastic because the kids can roam around, they can see other projects, it opens the world for them, so it's not necessarily when they think of coding they see ones and zeros, they can see the future that it holds, and they develop the 21st century skills with them. Problem solving, teamwork, communication, coding, critical thinking. It's been a fantastic day out.
So our project Seize the Day is for people with epilepsy and specifically tonic-clonic seizures. Tonic-clonic seizures include a loss of consciousness and violent muscle contractions, which means they also fall over. So this project, what was going to happen is if a person falls and it was an accident, they can just cancel the reaction by pressing button A. But if it was an actual seizure, after 10 to 15 seconds, it will send a message to a different microbit that either a family member or a different person has. And if the seizure is lasting over 5 minutes, which is the time that's too much, then an ambulance will be called.
Absolutely fabulous event. This is one of the major events that Longford County Council run each year. It's 3 years going on now. It's growing from strength to strength. And like to see 500 children here today, absolutely engaging in science. Like Longford is the leaders in Ireland now on this. Other counties are coming here trying to replicate what we've done here. Christine Collins and Danny Lynch have done such a fabulous job. And I have to say the council in general have been absolutely 100% behind them all the way.
We have some small schools to big schools, and the biggest thing is making a difference in all our counties, giving equal access to opportunities, and STEM, science, technology, engineering and maths. given an opportunity, all these skills these kids learn in this programme are transferable over in everyday life and then over any job function in the future. We're so proud of it, and we're immensely proud of all the staff of Longford County Council who have come here and volunteered to make this happen.